Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening sites. Google, and creating a new site. Sign in, name the site, and set a clear page structure for your games. Once done, upload your game assets to a reliable host, GitHub Pages or Google Drive Works. Choose based on file types. Make sure to prepare game entry files like index, HTML, and confirm paths. You want folders organized so embedding is predictable. Now add a page for your first game and choose the layout you'll embed into. Next, you embed your game into the page. Use the site's embed tool, paste the hosted URL for an iframe, or insert raw HTML when allowed. Once embedded, resize the frame to 800x600 or apply responsive CSS to keep a 16:9 ratio across devices. Make sure your host serves correct MIME types and that core's headers permit embedding, otherwise the game will be blocked. Test controls and audio in preview mode. If assets fail, recheck file paths and capitalization. To finish, publish the site and confirm page visibility settings, public or restricted as needed. You should test each game on desktop and mobile, verifying input methods and performance. Adjust iframe heights or compression if load is slow. If something breaks, first enable cores on your host or move files to GitHub Pages, then correct any broken paths or file name case mismatches. Finally, monitor analytics to see engagement and iterate. Small layout tweaks often fix the largest user issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.